Just got home and look at this one.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, very believable the first time you got the mailbox. You're getting close. You know, your hands are gonna freeze off. Okay, I think that's enough.
Ella, can you give me a smile? 아구 예뻐.
IKEA, and it is so cold. Yeah. I don't even know why we're looking at couches. We're not even trying to get one. Really liking this.
Oh, hey, that rug's kind of cute.
We're loving this huge mirror.
How was it? Do you like it?
No. Oh my god. This is purging her closet. Should I just toss it or?
Baby.
귀여워. I'm taking this photo. 이게 뒤로 가면 이게
괜찮아.
됐어요?
응. 일주일에 2번씩.
뭐 저하고 그레이스랑 일어나가지고 난리를 치는 거예요. 난리.
숨이 죽어.
이거 해야 돼? 레몬부터
아니 잘라서 갖고 가서.
This is good. 특이한 게 있어.
그렇지.
Oh, Ella. Oh, Ella. Why are you so angry? Hey, Ella. Hi, Ella, baby. Hi, kitty. Oh. Happy birthday, birthday boy. You're 30 today.
I am getting old.
We're at Jinho's favorite place. 행복하니?
Yeah.
Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
We are back at Grace's. Jinho and Kevin actually went to go play some golf. Right now, Grace is working on her dresser and I just finished bathing Ella. But Grace is gonna take care of Ella while I make some dinner today. We are gonna be making a really easy one pan lemony rice with salmon on top. And I got this tzatziki sauce from Costco. It's like a dill tzatziki. It's really good. So we'll just top it off with that. Grace and Kevin actually went to BBQ Chicken for lunch, which is a Korean fried chicken chain restaurant. So we will just enjoy it with that on the side. So let's get cooking. My mother-in-law taught me that with asparagus, when you snap it, there's a part that just breaks. This part is very stringy and fibery and it doesn't really, you can't really chew on it. And this part's the part that is good to eat. So like right here, it doesn't snap, you see? go a little higher, it should snap right away. Add garlic to this and chicken broth. So we're gonna pop that into the oven for about 20 minutes and it's at 350°F currently. And once that's done cooking, we're gonna take it out, put lemon juice, lemon zest all over it, add our asparagus and our salmon right up on top. We take out the foil, cook it in there for about 10 more minutes, and then we'll finally finish off on broil for about 5 to 10 more minutes. It's ready. It's birthday boys. Napkins?
Are you guys gonna be best friends? Oh, isn't she fuzzy?
So we are at Katie's house. She is one of our friends. She is going to be getting married soon and wanted to remodel her bathroom for when she gets married, and this will be the future home for her. So we thought it was like a really cool gig to try. So it's our first time designing someone's bathroom other than my parents or our own homes. So it's really exciting. We finished the designing of it. So we're just presenting it to her today with all the links of the things she needs to purchase. And we're only doing the designing aspect of it, not the actual construction of it. We'll be showing you guys through our vlogs the process and also the final look. So stay on the outlook for that.
Yeah. And then I do feel like you need more than one towel wrap. Right? Yeah. So we'll figure that.
Jinho and Kevin have the day off. We are going to Town and Oak. This is Grace's breakfast. What'd you say?
You know how they say it's 5 o'clock somewhere? Grace takes it literally with food.
Nobody wants to touch that.
This looks like something that's starting to grow in The Last of Us.
She was like a...
Yeah, I'm so excited for this. Oh my.
Feel good? Oh, it's Jinho.
Restaurants, but it's also like the design. So there's several stores that are like
Ella. Baby.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay at the lake.